Now see that beta, question number 9. In this question we are going to understand the divisibility of 11. And what the divisibility of 11 says that if the number will be divisible by 11 if the digits in the even places and odd places, okay, their difference is coming whether 0 or a multiple of 11. Again try to understand, if the even places and odd places numbers sum is coming whether 0 or a multiple of 11, then only the number will be divisible by 11. You can see that here 4961 is given. I have given numbering 1 2 3 4. You can see that all even places means 2, second place, fourth place, sixth place will be the even places, and odd places will be 1 place or 3 place or 5 place or 7 place or 9 place, like that. You can see that even places I have written, even places having 6 and 4. You can see that na, actual even places are 2 and 4, but which digit are coming in that place? 6 and 4. You can write here 6 plus 4, and 6 plus 4 how much it is coming? 10. 6 plus 4 sum is coming 10. Now go through the odd places. Odd places is 1 and 9. Odd places mean odd places is 1 place means 1 place or 3 place, and 1 place is 1 and 3 place is 9. Where what are the number in odd places? 1 plus 9, and 1 plus 9 is also 10. Now what you have to see? You have to check their difference. Difference is 10 minus 10. 10 minus 10 is coming 0, and it was our condition in the divisibility of 11. I have written everything over here. If the difference is coming 0 or a multiple of 11, means what can be the multiple of 11? 11, 22, 33, 44, like that. Okay, so you can see that here it is coming 0. Hence the number will be divisible by 11. Hence the number 0. So it is divisible by 11. Again see that next question. I have done it here. 61831 is there. I have given numbering it here 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now these are 1 3 and 5. These are odd places. These are odd places, and in odd places what numbers are there? In one number means odd numbers, 1 digit, 1 is there. In 3, third place which number is there? 8 number is there. Fifth place which number is there? 6 is there. If I will add them, what will come? 15. Okay, now go to the even places. Go to the even places. Even places means second place or fourth place. Only 2 even places are there. So see that second and fourth places, what are there? 3 plus 1, or 3 plus 1 is 4. Now you just check their difference. Difference means greater number minus small. Whatever number is even is greater, then you will do even minus odd. If odd is greater, you will do odd minus even. Okay, just see that now. 15 minus 4, what will come? 11. Okay, I told you that the difference should come 11 or a multiple of 11. So 11 is divisible by 11. Hence the number will be divisible by 11. Again see that one more question, C part. 96251. I have given numbering from here 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now the see that sum of odd places. Odd places are 1 3 and 5. Fifth place, one place, third place and fifth place. 1 place is 1 there, third place is 2 there, and fifth place is 9 there. If you will take their sum, what will come? 12. Now go through the sum of the even places. Even places are second place or fourth place. Okay, second place is 5 and fourth place is 6. So add their sum is also 11. Now take their difference. 12 minus 11 is 1. Is not divisible by 1 is not a multiple of 11. 1 is not a multiple of 11. Hence the number will not be divisible by 11. Now in the same way, D and E part, again it is your homework. D and E part is your homework. Now come to the question number 10. Okay, and in question number 10 you have the question, in each of the following numbers, replace star is there by the smallest number to make it divisible by 3. What you have to do? You have to add something here in the given number so that this number will be divisible by 3. So in place of this star I am making one blank box. Okay, what we should add? So what we will do, first of all, for divisibility of that 3, what we are doing? We are checking the sum of the digits. I will do that 3 plus 2 plus box plus 6. If I will add all these number, what will come? 14 plus box. And near to the 14, which number comes in 3 table? 15. So for making it 15, what we should add? 1. So 15 will be divisible by 3. Okay. So what will be your answer? What number you should add? 1. So what will be your answer? 1 will be your answer. Again see that in the next question what I am going to do, that in that question B part is that 7 star 3 1 2. What I have in place of star, I am making box, and rest of the sum of the digits I am taking. So 7 plus box plus 3 plus 1 plus 2. 7 plus box, and here I have taken the sum of the digit as 6. So what it will become? 7 plus 3, 13 plus box. Now see that the table of 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12. But this is 13. Go to the next. Now 3 5 ja 15. So how much we should add in 13? 2. So what will be your answer? What you should add in the star place? What you should write? If you will write 2 here, then the number will be divisible by 3. So what will be your answer? 2. Whatever number I am writing in box, that will be your answer. Okay. Now come to the question number C part. 2 1 star 7 1. See that 2 plus 1 plus box plus 7 plus 1. Same way. 2 plus 1 3. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 3 11. 11 plus box. And see that which number comes near to the 11 in 3's table. 12 comes. So what you will write? 11 plus what? 12. 12 will be divisible by 3. So what will be your answer? 1. So in this way you will do the question number D and E part again as your homework. Maybe everybody of you are getting that. Okay. Now come to the beta question number 11. And in the same way as we were doing the divisibility of 3, that what number should be added to make it divisible by 3. Same way we are going to that what number should be added to make it divisible by 9. So here also same procedure is there for the divisibility of 9, that the sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. So you just see that 1 9 star 7 6. So what you will do? 1 plus 9 plus box plus 7 plus 6. So 9 plus 1 10. 7 plus 6 13 box. Add that 10 plus 13 will be 23 plus box. अब you see that near to the 23 which number comes in 9 table? 9 2 ja 18. 9 3 ja 27. And 23 plus what you should add? 23 plus 4. It to 27, then it will be divisible by 9. So what will be your answer? Answer will be 4. So in place of star you can write 4, then this number will be divisible by 9. Okay. See that again. 7 6 7 4 8 or star. Add the numbers, and in place of star make box here. If you will add all these numbers, what you will get? 32 plus 8. 32 plus box. Okay. Now I am going to check that which number comes near to 32 in 9's table. So 36 comes. So how much we should add 32 so that this 32 will become 36? So 4. So what will be your answer? 4 will be your answer. Okay. Here you can see that 72 and star is there. 72 or star means 7 plus 2 plus box. 7 plus 2 9. Okay. 9 itself is coming in 9 table. So what you should write here? It is already divisible by 9, so nothing is to be required to add. So what you will write? 0. What you will write here? 0. So 9 divisible by 9. So what will be your answer? 0. Okay. Now question number 12. Question number is 12 is no need to do that question. Already the divisibility of 11 we have learned. So up to the question number means 11 you will do. Okay. And the parts which I have written for your homework, you will perform those questions as your homework part. Okay. So just enough for today. Thank you and Jai Gurudev to all of you.